Today we're going to talk about the Super Big twist lock pole. The advantage with this pole is that when you're locking it up, it uses a cam mechanism on it. The more you tighten it, the more gripping power that it has. So if you come across the problem where you find that no matter what you do, you can't lock your pole up, it's a really simple fix. You just need to pull the pole apart, and you'll find there's a little clip on here. Just need to push that clip off. Open it up as wide as you can. Put it back on again the same way it came off. And then just get the outer one and slot it back on, and that will get it all working again for you. Super Big's patented twist lock has more power than any other twist lock on the market.